following possibilities. So this is the example of the decision law. Number one is reject the null hypothesis. HO is B sub C less than negative B sub A, otherwise we fail to reject HO. Number two is reject the null hypothesis. HO greater than B sub A, otherwise we fail to reject the HO. And number three is reject the null hypothesis.